This week, we're going to give you some sound advice. It's going to be music to your ears. But first, a riddle. What's a rabbit's favorite brand of headphones? Apple AirPods, of course. Beats us why our jokes are so bad this week. Any ideas on what we've got here? Keep watching, and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who were lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Buying Voices program. So while getting 8 packages a day delivered from Amazon sounds like a lot of fun, things started to get a little crowded here in Matt's garage. All we ask is for you to get involved. Like the video, comment on the products you'd like to win, subscribe to Review to You with notifications enabled so that we can let you know each week when the winners are announced. Okay, back to today's product review and giveaway. It's the Technics AZ70W noise canceling earbuds. How many times have you had the wires of your headphones get caught around something? And then when you move, they get torn out of your ears. It's super annoying. Or had the dog chew through them as you play tug-of-war with Fido trying to get them back. This week's product fits big sound into a small package. The Technics AZ70W noise-canceling earbuds do away with the popular stem style that Apple uses with the AirPod design in favor of a larger 10mm speaker driver for better quality tunes. So what do we like about the Technics AZ70W noise-canceling earbuds? These earbuds are built extremely well and fit into the ear like a glove. It's rare for an in-ear wireless earbud to fit so snugly, and we had no trouble keeping them in while moving around. The first thing that blows you away is the bass. It's strong without being overpowering, and the response is punchy. The mids and highs are nice and crisp without sounding too shrill or tinny. They come in a handy case with a hinged lid that keeps the Technics AZ70W noise-canceling earbuds safe when you're not using them. The USB-C charge port in the back can fill the case with 12 hours of additional juice, with the earbuds themselves capable of operating for 6 hours on a full charge. And that's with noise canceling turned on. There's a quick charge function that gives you 70 minutes of playback after a brief 15-minute charging cycle, perfect for a top-off when on the run. All the equalizer tuning settings and noise cancellation features are handled by the Technics Connect phone app. You can also use the app to connect to Alexa Home Assistant voice activation, which is super handy. What's the downside? There is a faint sound of electronic interference that's noticeable when the volume is turned almost all the way down, or during the softer, quieter parts of certain songs. It's not enough to cause a problem for most users, but true audiophiles will definitely notice and be annoyed by it. Though the battery life is good, it could be better. Other brands can get around 30 hours. Where the Technics AZ70W noise-canceling earbuds are around 18 hours. Though the noise canceling is very good, it's not perfect. So there will be some bleeding in of outside noise if you're in a very busy area like a shopping center or on public transportation. So, what's the verdict? Lightweight and comfy while producing some serious sound. The Technics AZ70W noise-canceling earbuds deliver great quality without breaking the bank. We give them a rating of 4.5 stars. So go get them if you love powerful bass, a high-quality headphone, and value comfort over aesthetics. Don't get these if you are picky about minor electrical interference in the audio, or if you don't have a smartphone, we guess. And the Technics AZ70W noise-canceling earbuds could be yours. We'll be giving them away to one lucky subscriber. To win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hashtag earbuds. That's it. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.